Okay. A very good morning, children. Welcome back to online session of subject English of 9th class. So, in the previous class, we have discussed about the a-reading part of a grammar part. So, depending upon the whatever the clauses and phrases. So, dependent clauses and independent clauses, like that we have discussed. So, as per the grammar part, we have discussed that one. So, with the PowerPoint presentation. So, in the today's class, we shall see about the B reading part of this unit 2. So, what is a B reading means? What is a player? It is one of the poem. What is a player? Okay. So, in this poem, so you will be knowing about the characteristics and qualities of a good player. Okay. So, very intelligent player, very brilliant player. So, how a player will be. So, in the field and outside of the field. So, how a player will be. So, about a player we will be knowing more about in this poem. Okay, this is given as a poem. So, that one we shall discuss in the today's class. Okay, so this is a B reading poem. Okay, so first of all we shall see. So, what is a player? That means first of all what is mean by player? Player means what? So, who is a player? So, here who is a player means is a person. So, what is a player means so here what is a player means here not asking about a person. Okay, so here what is a player? So, the question first of all you should know what is a player. What is a player means what type of person, what type of qualities will be inbuilt in the player. Okay, so if a player is there, so how a player will be in both inside the field and outside the field. So that is the question, that is the answer of this question. So what is a player means it is describing his qualities and his characteristics. Okay, so that one you are supposed to identify, understand. Okay, so what is a player means his qualities, his characteristics. Okay, like that thing we have to identify. Okay, so how a player will be. Okay, so both in the field and outside the field. So that one we here it was given, the full answer was given as a poem. Okay, now we shall see the so qualities. So what is a player means qualities or characteristics. Qualities or characteristics. Okay, so this one was given as a poem. Now we shall see what is a player. Okay, so how a player will be. So we shall see. So first one, a player is one who doesn't give up, at the sight of a defeat. At the sight of defeat. So a player is one who doesn't give up at the sight of a defeat. Okay, that means here who doesn't give up. Give up means so give up is one of the phrasal verb, children. It is one of the phrasal verb. So phrasal verb already I said. So phrases means a combination of two or more words to give another new meaning. Okay, that means internally there will be another meaning. Okay, that is a meaning of a phrasal verb. Okay, so give is a verb and up is also one of the up means what is the parts of speech of up? So give means verb and up means a preposition. Okay, up is a preposition. That means it is describing about the position of something. Okay, so up is a preposition and give is a verb. So if we combine these two, if we combine verb and preposition, so here another meaning has give. Okay, give means to give something or to someone. Okay, so give up. So give up means here what is the meaning of give up? Give up means to quit. Okay, to quit or leave. Okay, to quit or leave something. Okay, give up means to quit or leave something. Okay, that is called a give up. Okay, so here a player is the one who doesn't give up at the sight of defeats. Okay, so whenever a player is is going to lose the match or any match, so he doesn't leave, because he know what he was doing is correct, he know. Okay, so that's why he will wait for some time. Okay, and suppose in the first match he has been became out for 0 runs. So does he quit that field? No, he doesn't quit. Again in the next match he will try to earn at least 5 runs or 10 runs. Okay, like that the players will be. Is it right, children? So not only players, so everyone will be like that only. So suppose for the first day, if any person has become a negative remark, does he leave the field? No, he doesn't leave the field. Again he will practice more and more for 2 to 3 days and for 4 or 5 days, and again afterwards in the round 2, so he will start he will show his talent. So at that time, so that means no one will give up for the first attempt only. For the first attempt only, no one will give up. Okay, here players also, the persons who doesn't give up at the sight of defeat. Okay, at the point of losing the match, they doesn't quit or they doesn't leave. Okay, that is the things he was saying. Next, but learns from their mistakes and put them beneath. But learns from their mistake. Okay, that means, so suppose on the first day, suppose whatever the mistake number 1, if they had done the mistake number 1, so they doesn't give up, they doesn't leave or they doesn't quit that field. So from this mistake number 1, so they will learn one lesson. They will learn one lesson number 1. So from this mistake number 1, they will learn lesson number 1. So this lesson number 1, they will show in the second attempt. They will show in the second attempt. That means, so whatever the lesson they have learned from this first mistake, they want to do the same mistake. So that means they will show the lesson 1. Okay, instead of showing the mistake 1, they will show the lesson 1. Okay, that means, so they will learn from this mistake and they again want to do the mistake. So that is the thing. But learns from their mistake and put them beneath. Beneath means beneath. Okay, beneath. Beneath means below. So below. That means in their minds they will keep that lesson. So this lesson they will keep in their minds. Okay. So that is the meaning of beneath. Okay. This is the thing. Next, a player is a one who doesn't give up at the sound of buzzer. Who doesn't give up at the sound of buzzer. Suppose any buzzer came. So buzzer means any alarm or any alert sound will be coming. No. So if any alert sound was came means they doesn't give up. Suppose in the match of cricket. So you will be seeing if any third umpire decision came means there will be some of the buzzer. Is it right? So like a heartbeat sound or any type of sound. So at that time also the players doesn't quit up, doesn't give up. Okay, because whatever the thing they are doing it, that is right in their mind. In their mindset that is right. Okay, like that they will feel. Okay, that is the thing. Next, always giving what they have from one side of the court to the other side. Okay, always giving what they have. So whatever the lessons they have learned, they will give from one side of the court to the other side. Okay, so from one side they will show their performance. So to whom they will show? To the board members or to the head of the departments or to any persons. Okay, so for the targeted audience they will show. Okay, so like that. So that is a thing. Okay, so whatever they had practiced internally, so they will show externally. That is the meaning of here from one side of the court to the other side. So here what is it? Always giving what they have from one side of the court to the other. One side of court to the other. Okay, that is the meaning. So whatever they have practiced, they will show in the externally. Okay, in the audience to the targeted audience. Okay, that is a this is one type of characteristics of a player. Okay, next, A player, next, second stanza. Stanza means one stanza will have 4 lines. Okay, so 4 lines completed. Okay, so next, second stanza. A player is the one who doesn't whine about their playtime. A player is the one who doesn't whine. Okay, WHINE. Okay, who doesn't whine about their playtime. While WHINE. Whine means here they doesn't complain. They doesn't give any complaints about their playtime. Okay, so whenever the playtime is going on, they will also make it very smoothly and very fastly. Okay, because no there should not be any disturbances. Okay, is it right, children? So here a player is the one who doesn't wind up, who doesn't give complaint. Whine means here complaint. Okay, who doesn't complain about their playtime. Okay, so I am doing like this, so whatever I am doing is correct. They won't speak outside, because that is not the correct rule. Is it right, children? Okay, so in the middle of the game, if any two players are fighting, means what happens? So there will be some disturbance in the match. Okay, in the not only match, in the every field. Okay, if the work is going on, suddenly some of the disputes has been arised, means what will happen? So there will be some clash in the work, or in the event, or in the play. Okay, that is the thing. So what the players will do? So a player is the one who doesn't wind up about their playtime. Okay, so that is the thing. Next, because a player knows if it's an unacceptable crime. He already knows. So before entering into that field only, he will be learning. Is it right, children? So what they will learn? Okay. So if any complaints or if any disputes has been made by a player, means so that will become as an unacceptable crime. So he will be suspended. He will be suspended for some days or months. Okay. So for that crime, so that is unacceptable. Unacceptable means not accepted. Okay, no one will accept that, and board members will suspend him. Okay, from the play or from the work. Okay, that is the thing. So that's why he is saying, because a player knows it's an unacceptable crime. It's means it's ITS. It's means so whatever the complaint. So whatever the whine complaint is there, so if we do the complaint, means so that is actually an unacceptable crime. Okay, crime means okay, illegal work. Okay, illegal activity. So that is the thing. Next, a third line. A player is the one who practices game speed. A player is the one who practices the game speed. Okay, every day, daily, he will be playing. He will be practicing. So why he will practice? So to make it as a game speed. Game speed means okay. So the speed recovery, to learn more tricks and everything, techniques in the game. Okay, and to make it very fast. Okay, like that. So generally in the during the lockdown session due to this COVID-19, so I have heard that so many players, so many football players, cricket players, I have seen that they are practicing match in their house and in their garden area. Okay, that is the thing. So that means here what is the attitude? What is their attitude means? So at any time, at any place, and at any situation also, so we have to work more and more. We have to practice. So whatever the sources are available, whatever the facilities available, with that only we have to practice. Okay, like that is a thing. Okay, during this lockdown period. Okay, see here a player is the one who practices game speed. Okay, so that is the thing. Next, always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. Okay, so while they are playing, so we can't read their minds. Is it right, children? So we don't have that much power also. So to read others mindset. Okay, experiencingly from the by watching a TV. Okay, so we will watch a match by we will see a match by from the TV only. Is it right, children? So here what will be happening means here we can't read their minds. So that means, but in their minds what they will thinking means, see, always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. So whatever the shot they are hitting, whatever the work they are doing, whatever the event they are doing, they will think that yes, I'm not doing correctly. So but they are also not in a guarantee position. So guarantee means, okay, so perfect condition like that it will be. Okay, so that they are also not very much guarantee about their shots or their work. Okay, their activity. Okay, that is the thing. Next, next third stanza. A player is a one who doesn't settle for anything less. Okay, so a player is a one. Okay, I think so you are understanding this up to here. So next, okay, a player is a one who doesn't settle for anything less. Who doesn't settle for anything less. Anything lesser. Okay, so here no player will settle for a less amount. So even a small player also ask for more amount. Okay, is it? So suppose if they want to attend an event. Okay, so the board members they can't give for a less amount. Is it right, children? So that means they need somewhat more. Okay, that should be the expectations of the player. Okay, how much the player will expect, so that much they have to provide. Okay, so sometimes the players will be attending to some of the events. Okay, some external events. Okay, like seminars or any college anniversary functions, school anniversary functions, school annual day functions. Okay, or else to the multi-complex theaters. Okay, so at the time, so these organizations should provide him. So how much they have been asking, so that has to be provided. Okay, is it right, children? So but they won't ask very less. They can't settle for the less amount. Okay, that is the thing he is asking. So even knowing that they are not the best, even knowing that they are not the best. Okay, so even though a small player, a very weak player also will settle for the more. Okay, that is the thing. Next, they will be the ones you see outside practicing. They will be the ones you see outside practicing. So every player is one of our surrounding player only. Is it right, children? So no player is directly came from the hell or heaven. Okay, so every player arises from our surroundings only. Suppose in your colony or in your street only a very good player is there. Okay, so beside your house only a very good player is there. So if you recognize means, so he must be some 17 years or 18 years old, or else less than this, or else more than this, or else up to 20 years old. Okay, you will be make laugh by him. Okay, so he is always playing only, he not at all studies. So for suppose if he was going into the matches, he was going into the international, national and district level, state level matches means, then you will be thinking, you will be what we will say, you will be recalling. You will be recalling at that time. So he is one of my street member, one of my neighbor member. Okay, who made laugh by him. So like that you will be saying. So that means here no player will arise from hell or heaven. So every player is from our surroundings only. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, like this he is saying. Okay, they will be the ones you see outside practicing. So if a person is practicing daily at the outside of your house nearby your house, if any ground or any stadium are there, so in that if they are practicing means you will be, you won't consider him very much. Okay, suppose if that person only, if he goes to the international matches or national matches means then you will be recalling to him. Okay, so he is so and so, he is so and so, like that you will be recalling. So that means here what you are supposed to understand means every player will be the person who is practiced in the previously nearby our surroundings only. Okay, like that you are supposed to think. Next, they will be the ones you see outside practicing day or night or rain or shine. Okay, in they won't depend upon the climate. Okay, either in daytime or night time or rainy season or in the shiny season. Shiny season means summer season. Okay, never instead of considering all these seasons, they will be doing practicing. Okay, that is the thing. Next, they are the ones running on hurt ankles. Running on hurt ankles. So here, see children, hurt ankles. Hurt ankles. Ankles means whatever our feet, our foot is now. So those are called foot. So hurt ankles. So whatever the injury. So instead of considering the injuries happening to their feet, so without considering, so whatever the injury happened to our legs or hands or anything, so instead of caring about this one, they will be doing practicing. Okay, so that is the thing. Admitting they are fine. So they will accept all these injuries. Okay, they will receive all these injuries and they will suppose if injury happen means what we will do, we will sit and we will sleep, or sometime we will put some turmeric powder on the injury. So here what these players will do, so even though they have hurt for their ankles, they have hurt for the foot means, so they will continue, they won't stop the practicing, they will continue with the practice only. Okay, that is the thing about this third stanza saying. Next, fourth stanza, last stanza. A player is the one who has a strong sensible mind. Strong mind and sensible mind. Sensible means sensitivity mind. Okay, so considering about everything. Okay, that means adjusting with the surroundings. Okay, that is called a sensible mind. Okay, so next, never pondering about failing. Never pondering. Okay, never pondering. Pondering means here the word pondering means to take care about the time period, about the particular time period. Okay, thinking about the particular time period. Okay, so here they never ponder about the failing. Suppose they have failed. Okay, they have failed in one match. Okay, that means they have done the 0 runs. So why I have done 0 runs? Okay, why not I score 50 or 100, at least 25 runs? So they never think of that. Sorry, so they never think of about the thing. Okay, that means here they won't care about that time period. Okay, so instead of that one, what they will do means, see, only contemplating prevailing. Okay, only contemplating prevailing. Okay, so here they never ponder about the whatever happened, happened thing. Okay, they always they only contemplating prevailing. Contemplating means consider. They only consider. Okay, consider. They only consider about. Okay, about what they will consider. Prevailing means for the for the future, okay, for the future events, okay. So prevailing means for the future events, okay. So they always contemplate, they always consider about the future action, okay. So so the next time I should so already I said here, okay. So whatever the today's mistake is there, so from the mistake one they will learn the lesson number 1, and this lesson number 1 on the second day they will show the lesson number 1, okay. That means they will consider about the future event, okay. So contemplating means consider about, prevailing means in the future, okay. That means in the succeeding days, okay. That is the thing. Next, a player is the one who doesn't chicken out, okay. So here chicken out, this is also one of the phrasal verb, children. So this chicken out means here generally this is a word called to make fear, to make fear, to get fear, okay. So chicken out means here a player is a one who doesn't chicken out, who, that means he is a one who doesn't get fear in the event or in the activity, okay. So to decide not to do something because of fear, okay. So for the fear only I am doing this one, by the fear only I am doing this one, like that he won't do. So a player is the one who doesn't chicken out. So that means here the player will keep more interest on that activity, on that work, okay. Suppose a player likes cricket very much, okay. So he won't play for the cause of fear, okay. So fear means what type of fear? Suppose if a ball is coming very fast and hurting and be hitting on the head, so like that type of fears, okay. So no player will play for the fear, okay. Every player will play for the interest only, okay. That is the meaning of here that line, okay. Chicken out means to decide not to do something because of fear, okay, without fear. So he no player will without fear every player will play the match, okay. So that is the thing. Next, who wants to be in the game when everything counts, okay. Who wants to be in the game when everything counts? Now that is a true player. Now that is a true player. So who wants to be in the game when everything counts? Everything counts means, so whatever we have discussed, all the things, so complaints, pondering, okay. Next, considering about future events, so without any fear, and next without any loss in the defeat, okay. So all these things, so whatever the things we have discussed now, so if a player is considering all these things, so then he is one of the true player, so now that is a true player. So what is a true player means, so a player who doesn't give up at the sight of defeat, and a player who doesn't settle anything for less, and a player who doesn't give up at the sound of a buzzer, and next a player who doesn't keep in the mind if the shots are not guaranteed. So and next, a player is the one who practice for the game speed, okay. All these things, okay, is now that is a true player, okay. Now I think so you have understood. So what are the qualities of a true player and characteristics of a true player, okay. So this is about the what is a player poem, okay. So this poem was written by the Jessica Taylor, okay. So Jessica Taylor, okay. Jessica Taylor, okay. So she is one of the poet. So who along with this poem, so she has written so many poems like loneliness, I miss you, I hate, I am worried. So that means here she, whatever the poems she is writing, so those all are giving for the emotional touches only emotional touches, Okay, so loneliness also is a one of the emotional thing. Okay, so to be alone. Okay, next I hate, that is also one of the hating. Okay, next I miss you, I am worried. Okay, cause of fear. Okay, these all are some of her popular poems. Okay, so this is about the you need to be reading poem. So now based on this poem, so I will give you two questions for you, so to write. Okay, so write down those two questions based on this poem only. Okay, first one, what are the qualities of a true player? True player. Next, second one, do's and don'ts of a true player. Of a true player. Okay, so these are the two questions, children. So first one is, what are the qualities of a true player, or else what are the qualities that a true player should have? Okay, that is the first question. That means you have to write for a true player what type of qualities should have. Okay, based on this lesson only, all the qualities will be there. Okay, write this answer as a point wise. Okay, so start the answer as a put the heading. So qualities of a true player. Okay, that is a heading. And next down, first point, second point, third point, fourth point. So how many points you have in your mind? You write that many points. Okay, so you can write your own also, not only from the lesson. Okay, your own examples also accepted. So a true player should have first point, second point, third point, fourth, like that. How many minimum compulsory minimum 5 points should be there. So maximum your wish. Okay, so how many points you want to write, that many points you can write. Okay, by your own also you can write. Okay, so from your life experience. Okay, so how you have played, from that also you can write. Okay, so that is your wish. And second one is do's and don'ts of a true player. So what should a true player should do daily, and what he should not do. Okay, so like a box you have to draw. Okay, you draw the box like a differences. Okay, like a differences you make, and do's and don'ts. Okay, so like this you make, and write down what he has to do and what he should not do. Okay, so minimum 5 points. Here also minimum 5 points. Okay, so minimum 5 points. Okay, write down. Okay, children, this is your today's homework. Okay, so I think so you will be writing these two answers very easily. Okay, so if you are having any doubts, you can refer to the back. Okay, backward. Okay, so that you can understand about the qualities and what he has to do. And this here also, for the second answer also, you can write by your own. Okay, those are also accepted. Okay, what he should do and what he should not do. Okay, he or she should not do. Okay, that is a thing. Okay, so in the next class we shall come with another interesting lesson, children. So thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.